Let's take a pen and a piece of paper and see how many cars we'll recognize. You can do the same, and at the end, we can compare how many vehicles you recognized. And hey, no Googling. Okay, let's go. First one. I never heard about this car.
Huh?
Did you? Wow.
Sorry, boy.
Oh, look how nice it is. Oh, look at the wheels, they're from wood. Second.
And the starter match.
Bugatti. But what model? What on earth is this thing? What's this? A Cadillac? Seville? Look at that. Bugatti. Type 40. Does type 40 exist? Yep. Talbot.
He's got Michelin 6.
Yep, I know this one. This is a Talbot Lago T26 Record Coupe. I think it's a 4.5 liter straight 6. Lago Record. Told you. Faisal. Never heard of. How many cars did you recognize so far? This is a Le Mans 50. Somebody told me. Alfa Romeo something. Ford Capri. Yes. Type 57. Maybe type 40. This one I think is a type 35. Baby Bugatti? Blue? Baby blue Bugatti. Oh, this looks like a new project. It's gorgeous, wow. Baby blue Bugatti. This is definitely Bugatti Type 35 because it only has one filler cap. 51 because it has two filler caps. It is running on metal. Check out how this looked a year ago. Type 51. Brescia. Now the question is, how do I know which answer is correct? And this is a cool straight 8. Very common on Bugattis, on pre-work Bugattis. Engine block. This is supercharger. I don't know how these details are called, but I know they're handcrafted. Look at all these details. Can you guess what is this? That's a roller bearing crankshaft. Very expensive. Hi, I'm a water pump, but everybody calls me Turbo.
Huh.
Here is where the magic happens. Lots of machines here. What is that? Oh, look, backing plates. Turret mill? Wow, you're still here. This means you liked what you saw. Well, thank you for watching.